In 2009, a mysterious person named Satoshi created Bitcoin. Nobody cared. In 2017, people suddenly cared a lot. Some made fortunes, some made mistakes, some made motivational Instagram posts. In 2020, digital monkey pictures were selling for millions. Yes, monkeys. In 2022, everything crashed. Exchanges collapsed. Billions disappeared. In 2024, Wall Street said, okay, fine, we want in. In 2025, hackers stole $1.5 billion in one attack. And now, in 2026, Bitcoin trades between $83,000 and $90,000. The total crypto market, around $3.2 trillion. So, is this the future of money? Or just the most dramatic roller coaster ever built? And why, after all this chaos, is everyone still obsessed? Let's break it down. From zero to smart. Using sticky rich. Simple. Cryptocurrency is digital money. That's it. No coins, no paper, no ATM, no wallet bulge in your jeans. It lives on the internet. But here's the twist. Unlike your normal money, crypto is not controlled by a bank. No manager. No office building. No system maintenance. No, please come tomorrow. Just you and a global network. Sounds powerful, right? But wait, if there's no bank, who's in charge? Great question. Let's talk about the magic notebook. Imagine Sticky Rich has a notebook. Every time he sends money, he writes it down. Now imagine, millions of people have the exact same notebook, same entries, same records. If Sticky Rich tries to cheat and erase something, everyone else looks at their notebook and says, nice try. That shared notebook is called blockchain. It's not scary. It's just a shared record book. Public, transparent, hard to fake. Now here's the real question. Who writes in this notebook? In Bitcoin, powerful computers compete to solve math puzzles. First one to solve it gets rewarded with Bitcoin. That's called mining. Yes, real machines. Yes, real money. But before you open YouTube and search, how to mine Bitcoin from my bedroom? Pause. Mining today needs massive electricity and expensive hardware. Unless Sticky Rich secretly owns a power plant. It's not that easy. Crypto isn't a cheat code. It's a competition. Now let's talk money. Bitcoin between 83,000 to 90,000 as of January 2026 with total crypto market 3.2 trillion. That's bigger than most countries. Why? Two major reasons. First, big companies are buying. Instead of holding cash, some companies now hold Bitcoin. It's called digital asset treasury. Sounds sophisticated. It basically means we don't fully trust cash anymore. Second, Wall Street entered into the game. In 2024, Bitcoin ETFs were approved. Translation: your uncle can buy Bitcoin in his retirement account. When institutional money enters, the game changes. It becomes less of a rebellion and more of a financial asset class. Let's be honest. Crypto was created to be money. But today, most people treat it as an investment. Because imagine buying coffee for 0.001 Bitcoin. Tomorrow, it's 0.002 Bitcoin. That's not convenience. That's anxiety. So people spend dollars and hold crypto hoping it grows. And yes, some predict Bitcoin could even hit 180,000. Others say it may just stay between 75,000 and 95,000 for a while. Welcome to two types of experts. Optimistic ones and realistic ones. Crypto moves fast. Demand, news, regulations, fear, greed. In January 2026, gold suddenly crashed in one day. Huge drop. That shock pulled Bitcoin down briefly too. Then it bounced back because markets are emotional. Crypto, more emotional. Imagine stock market, but after 3 energy drinks. That's crypto. Now the scary part. In 2025, $17 billion was stolen in crypto scams. Yes, billion. And AI scammers are now 4.5 times more profitable with deepfake videos, fake voices, fake investment websites. If Sticky Rich sends crypto to the wrong address, it's gone. No refund, no customer care, no manager. Crypto gives freedom. But freedom comes with responsibility. Important. A crypto wallet does not store coins. Coins live on the blockchain. Your wallet stores keys. Public key equals your address. Private key equals your password. Lose your private key? Game over. Hot wallet equals online, easy, riskier. Cold wallet equals offline, safer. Sticky Rich keeps serious savings offline because smart is better than sorry. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some countries embrace crypto. India leads in adoption. El Salvador made Bitcoin legal money. And here's a fun twist. Even though the US has the most money in crypto, India, Nigeria, and Vietnam have more active users per person. That's called the adoption paradox. Crypto isn't just a Wall Street toy. It's global. But governments are also building their own digital money systems. And critics worry, what if money becomes programmable? Imagine money that expires, or money you can't spend on certain things. That debate? Heating up in 2026. Crypto versus control. Crypto isn't just charts and memes anymore. You can buy small fractions of real estate using crypto. Even $50 can give you exposure to property. That's tokenization. That's utility. But reality check. Over 15,000 cryptocurrencies have died since 2014. Dead. Zero. And yet, in 2025 alone, over 1 million new meme coins were created. Crypto is innovation and chaos at the same time. Here's the balanced answer. Crypto can grow massively. It can also drop 50% in months. So, Rule 1. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Rule 2. Don't FOMO because someone posted a green chart. Rule 3. Learn before jumping. Sticky Rich invests with logic, not hype. So what is cryptocurrency in 2026? It's digital money, an investment asset, a technology experiment, a global financial shift, and yes, a little bit of madness. Is it perfect? No. Is it risky? Definitely. Is it going away? Highly unlikely. Crypto survived crashes, scandals, hacks, regulations, and it's still here. Now you understand what it is, how it works, why it moves, and what can go wrong. That already puts you ahead of most people. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Sticky Rich will be back. Smarter, and probably still slightly confused about meme coins. See you in the next one.